Metropolitan suite. Right. We got it's like a closet here. All right. Closet there, bathroom there. Got like this living room space here. Wow. Office. Ooh. Happy birthday. Some champagne here. And then some nice couches. A couple seats back there. What's in here? What is this? Just some random storage. Alright, this armoire, it even lights up, which is cool. Let's see what's out here too, what kind of view we got going on. Some trees. Beautiful. Let's see what's down here. Alright, we got these, so many shelves, so much to look at in this room. This is huge. This huge room here. Here's a desk. I could have my meeting there on Monday. And then we step into this room here, which is the bedroom. Oh my God, this place is huge. And then this door goes into the common area. Then we have a couch and a bed and some storage, TV, a little vanity stand types of things. Oh, hand sanitizer wipes and some earplugs. That's nice of them. Shoot, this looks like a closet. It is. Okay, so this is just a closet, but it's a huge closet with a full-length mirror on this side and places to hang clothes here and here. There's a safe. And then we step into this bathroom here. Okay, there's a bathroom in front. Now there's another bathroom. Let's turn on the lights here. Okay, so then to the left we have our sinks. And then to the right we have our bathtub. Marble floor, beautiful marble walls. Let's see. Beautiful shower. Look at that shower head. Waterfall shower. And then here we have une toilette. The loo, what they call in London. Rugs here. Our toiletries. Wow. This place is huge. I don't even know if I'm finished walking through the whole thing. Back into the common area. Okay, back into the hallway. We're not even done. As you can see, we came from this common area. Here's the door to the hallway outside. Another hallway to the left here. And what is this? It's like a kitchen? It is a kitchen. Whoa. What is this? I don't know what this is. Maybe like a espresso thing. This is, ooh, a fridge with some sodas, beers. I guess this is another fridge, freezer down here. Microwave, snacks and drinks, coffee things, and then a sink here. And then all of these storage areas that we really don't have use for because we're not. And then this leads out to the hallway. Outside, okay, so this is the kitchen. Another common area. As you can see. Ho ho ho! I didn't even plan to do a tour right now, but I guess I'm giving the tour. We got a phone right here with this dresser. We got a table with some chairs. We got more chairs. We got a couch here. And then kick back, watch some TV, do a recap. Huge common entertainment area. Good sized kitchen. And this long, spacious hallway with a bathroom right here. And back into another common area. Right here with an office. Then over to the bedroom, to the closet within the bedroom, and then we all know how this ends with the bathroom inside the closet. Alright, that's the Metropolitan suite in the London Hotel. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. I got 20 subscribers. Last time I checked, I had 9. Let's make it 40. Let's double that. Like, subscribe. Okay? Alright. I'll see you later. This is the London from the outside. Just to get some perspective, this is its surroundings. It's on this pretty steep hill. Also, breakfast this morning is a buffet. Breakfast was a buffet. It was good. Some quiche, some fruit, some bagels, some lox, coffee, juice. There was some granola and yogurt, some cheeses. Really good breakfast.